Manipuri Students Federation (MSF) has cautioned to take stringent action against stores for raising price of tin sheets amid adverse weather condition and warned to bear the consequences. General Secretary of MSF Sundar Kuman has also appealed to the authority concerned to extend necessary aid to the families affected by massive hailstorm. The student organization inspected the teen stores at Thangal Bazar, Chingmairong, Khongnang Anikarak and Mantripukhi. Speaking at the sidelines, Sundar highlighted that some stores have hiked the prices of the teen sheets. Citing that many houses were damaged by the severe hailstorm, he lauded the state government for its prompt action to provide assistance to affected families. He further suggested the authority concerned to physically inspect the damaged houses instead of relying on families to submit related documents to their concerned SDC, SDO or DC, as this could pose an additional burden on the affected families. He also urged the stores to avoid making excuses claiming that there is no stock available or the teens are en route even after stock are piled in the warehouses. If anyone notices an increase in teen sheet prices, he encouraged people to contact the following numbers: 9863853826 or 9366657948 or 700-541-4138.
Mafam khudimagta tarakona maram orakanda da ikoi yumsing amang ata thon diba kaya adu ki mateng pangna bagi damakta ikoi mari lainaba department na che chang sing thagala kanda da ikoi mateng pangna bagi order ma thopi ke buto ikoi MSD mai kai dagi su mari lainaba department bu ikoi ikai kumna je dubu makoi na laurai ba thangdang dudi adu ki mateng hauji thuklai ba kanoji ka digi tan sana ba wat prana MSD na khanjai maram di ikoi khudaki oi ba yum awu ora nangakanda da kari gi damakta ikoi department na che chang sing thagala pa ngai bagi matam lairibra SDO SDC na field visit tawraka dada aikoi yum akaya toy thoiba adai jinga horiba kaya adu khudaki oiba mideng changa ka da darkar laiba singa do khudak da phangan bibane henna phai jinga sing aikoi mafam mafam khuding da pricing maman hekan na yole habagi pau phangba da MSF na Thangal Bazar gi mafam khara da chalaga yengjan ma matam da SD steel hariba dukan asida aikoi tongan tongan ba aikoi gi din sing habadi 30 mm gi je hana lupa lising mari ga chatuk yang khai yon da hausin na mari ga chani pan yang khai lupa chani hen kalakan da yolam ba thengnare masi gumba kaya si MSF na matang unajara kanda da lupa chani hen kalaga yolam mi do ko maman tan jakra